Hi guys, it's Stephanie Teresa. If you would like to know how I did these DIY mink lashes, then keep watching. For today's video, we're going to need false cluster eyelashes, an applicator, and individual lash glue. Alright, so first thing that I'm going to do is fill this tiny cap with some glue. I'm just going to fill that with a couple drops, kind of like so. Alrighty, so I just got my cluster with my applicator. I'm just going to dip it into the glue. And then apply it to the underside of my lash. Gonna hold it there for a few seconds.
So we have one lash on.
So again, I'm dipping it in. I'm gonna pull my lash upwards, apply it to the bottom. And then from there, I keep going. While going through this process, I do want to stress the importance of using a glue that is made for beginners and for self-application. So you don't want to use a glue that regular lash techs use. That glue will burn your eyes and you will cause damage to your eyes if you're not skilled and trained to use that glue. So just be cautious when you are purchasing, and I will be sure to include all the products that I used down in the description box below. So I think I'm pretty much done. And then I'm just gonna come back for a completed look. So that is pretty much it. This is the completed look. It took me about 20 to 25 minutes to apply the lashes on. It was really quick and simple and definitely doable at home. So I hope this video was helpful, and let me know how you found the process down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching.